Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Clipchamp is not working on your system, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we need to know is that Clipchamp is a part of Windows. It is not a integral part of the Windows system. It is just an app on the Windows system. So what Clipchamp does is mostly dependent on the internet, and for that we need to check the internet connection as one of the troubleshooters. So the first thing we'll do is open the browser and look for a website like fast.com to check the internet speed, and we can see the internet speed here, but your internet speed needs to be 20 MB per second or above. If it is 20 below, then there's a problem in your internet connection and you need to connect your internet service provider. Now if that's not the issue, then the other solution is to repair and reset the Clipchamp app. So we can do that by right clicking on the start button, going to settings, apps, installed apps, and we can look for Clipchamp. Okay, Microsoft Clipchamp. Click on the three buttons here, advanced options, and we'll scroll down. First, we will click on repair, wait for it to repair, get the tick mark, and then reset it. And that should clear the issue and get Clipchamp working again. If that too doesn't work, then we have another option. What we will do is we will right click on the start button, we will go to settings, and we will click on Windows Update. Here we will click on check for updates. While that's working, we will go to advanced options, optional updates, and we will install any driver updates that are present here. Once that is done, we need to restart the computer by pressing the start button and clicking on the power button and clicking on restart, and Clipchamp should start working. If this video helped for you guys, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.